Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss half adder. So guys, in this video we will discuss what is half adder, what is the truth table for half adder, what are the boolean equations for half adder, what is the circuit for a half adder, and we will test its working. So guys, for the full video all of you stay tuned.
Karen Jetley Live.
So guys, what is half adder? So half adder is a circuit which can perform addition, So but it will not perform addition fully. Means it will add two bits. And guys, you know, whenever we add two numbers, sometimes a carry is generated which we should add to the next part, which we should add to the next digit. So what half adder does, it will add two digital numbers, okay, it will add them, it will generate sum, it will generate carry, but it will not add carry to the next digit. So it will not perform the complete addition, it will perform only the half addition. So that's why we call it as half adder. For example, we have two numbers, okay, which we have to add. For example, these are the two numbers. When I add 1 plus 1, it gives me 0, 1. Okay. Now, what is a half adder? So, guys, what is this? This is a sum, and this area is, for example, it is for carry. Okay. So, it will add these two digits. It will generate the sum. It will generate the carry, but it will not add the carry to the next number. It will not add the carry to the next digit. For example, 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. Then this one won't be added. So again we will add 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. What is carry? 0. Okay. Again this 0 won't be added here. So again 1 plus 1, 0. What is carry? This. Again we will not add this carry. Rather we will add these two ones here. Again 1 plus 1, 0, and this is carry. Okay. So what half adder will do? It will generate two outputs. Okay. It will generate partial sum. It is not complete because we are not adding a carry to it. And it will generate carry, which should go to the next digit, but it will not add carry to the next digit. Hence the addition is not complete. It is only half, because it is adding two numbers, but it is not adding the carry to it. Adding the carry which we generated to the next digits. So the addition is only half. So we call it as half adder. So guys, now let us make the truth table for it. So we have two numbers. Okay. Let those numbers be A and B. So we add them and it generates two output. One is sum, another thing is carry. So 0, 0. 0 plus 0, what is sum? 0. What is carry? Is also 0. 0, 1. 0 plus 1, what is sum? And carry is 0. 1 plus 0, what is sum? 1, and again the carry is 0. Then 1 plus 1, so what is sum? Sum will be 0, and 1 plus 1 is 0, 1, and carry will be 1. So guys, what is this? This is the truth table for half adder. So it is adding two numbers, it is generating sum, and it is generating the carry. Okay, so guys, from this truth table we can easily write the boolean equation. Okay, so what will be the boolean equation for sum? So this plus this. So what is this? A complement B plus AB complement. Okay, so guys, if we look at this, A complement B plus AB complement means when both the inputs are not equal, the output is 1. Which boolean operation it is? It is an XOR operation. XOR operation says if both the inputs are similar, the output is going to be 0. And if both the inputs are not equal, the output is going to be 1. So A complement B plus AB complement gives me A XOR B. So what is that? That is my sum. That is my sum. So what is the Boolean equation for carry? This will be the Boolean equation for carry. So what will be carry? Carry will be A and B. Carry will be A and B. So this is our truth table. This is my Boolean equation for sum, and this is my Boolean equation for carry. So now guys, from these Boolean equations easily we can make the circuit. So easily we can make the circuit for half adder. Now let us do it. Let us do it. So A XOR B. So we have two inputs. One is A, another input is B. So simply I XOR them. So what I get here is my sum. So this is A XOR B. This is my A XOR B. So what is my carry? A and B. So this is my A and this is my B. I AND them. So what I get here is carry A and B. So this is A, this is B. So what we get here is, we get our half adder. So we get our half adder. Okay. So guys, now let us test it. Let us test it. Now you know A, B, sum, carry 0, 0, 0, 0. If both the inputs are 0, then A and sum will also be 0 and carry will also be 0. So let us assume this as 0, this as 0. So what comes here is 0, 0. 0 XOR 0 is what? 0. So here comes also 0, here comes also 0. 0 and 0 is also 0. So this is correct. This circuit is working according to this. Now let us test it with 0, 1. So where A is 0 and B is 1. So 0 and what we get here is 1. So 0 XOR 1 is what? 0 XOR 1 is 1. Okay, so what sum comes? 1. Okay, now A is 0, B is 1. 0 and 1 is what? It is 0. So what will be carry? 0. What will be carry? 0. Same thing will work for 1, 0. Okay, same thing will work for 1 and 0. So what will be sum? 1, carry will be 0. Now let us test it for both inputs 1. A is also 1 and B is also 1. Okay, so A XOR B, 1 XOR 1 is what? Is 0. 1 and 1 is what? It is 1. It is 1. So what we get here is sum as 0 and carry is 1. So this circuit is working as a half adder. Again, why we call it half adder? Because it is adding two digits. It is adding two digits. It is generating sum. It is generating carry, but it is not adding carry to the next digit. It is not adding carry to the next digit. So guys, what is this? This is called as half adder. So guys, I hope you understand it. Actually, it is easy. I hope you understand it. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more lectures on different topics of IT and much more. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.